What you're about to see is raw and real footage. Viewer discretion is advised.
Oh my gosh, it's a tornado!
Yes, excuse me, sir.
What can I do for you, boy?
Yeah, my name's Colby.
Hi.
We just wanted to ask you some questions. Is that all right?
It's all right. Yeah. What about?
Yeah, we just wanted to ask you, what do you remember from the Edmonton Tornado?
We don't speak that around here, boy.
Could you...
Get out of my town! That was a bad part in our town. My dog died.
I'm sorry. Sir! Hello. Yes, my name's Colby. I'm with Channel 27 News. Yes, we just wanted to ask you some questions. Is that alright? Yeah, can we ask you about the Edmonton Tornado? Sir? 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 Sir! Sir, please wait! Ow! Sir! Sir!
Get out of my car right now, sir. Sir, get...
Oh, we're going. Alright, there he is. Let's go. Oh, excuse me, sir? Sir?
Yeah, yes?
Yes, my name's Colby. I'm with the Channel 43 News.
Hamish.
Alright. Hey, Hamish. What's going on? Yeah, I was just wondering if we could ask you something.
What?
Can you tell us about the Edmonton Tornado?
What'd you say?
The Edmonton Tornado. Is there a problem?
I'm gonna kill you.
Sir. You ready? Did you film that?
No, dude, no.
Oh, okay.
It's off.
Alright, let's go. Hey there.
Yes?
Hey.
Hey!
I'm Colby. I'm with the Channel 837 News.
Oh, nice to meet you, Colby.
Yeah,
I watch your show every day.
Well, that's good. Thank you. And we just wanted to know if we could ask you some questions.
Sure.
Yeah, can you tell us anything about the Edmonton Tornado?
Ah, the Edmonton Tornado. Well, there was a lot of wind, and it sucked. See ya.
Sir,
What the heck?
yes, sir. Do you care if we ask you about the Edmonton Tornado?
No, I don't mind.
Okay. Well, go ahead and tell us about it. What do you know?
Well, there was this tornado. It happened in Edmonton. That's why they call it the Edmonton Tornado.
Thank you.
And it happened at 3:25 p.m. I knew because I have a watch. And it was an F4, which means it's really bad.
Right.
And it was in the sky and it hit Earth. 25 people died. Yeah. $550 million.
Continue.
Huh?
Hello, sir. We just wanted to ask you, what do you think about the Edmonton Tornado?
Matt, what's wrong?
They asked me about the tornado.
Guys, what's going on?
They asked us about the tornado. Guys, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. You don't even care. You don't even
Do you believe in magic in a young girl's heart? The music can free her wherever it starts, and it's magic.
Oh, excuse me, sir. Can I ask you a question?
Yeah, sure.
All right, I'm Colby, channel 14,223 News.
Oh, my favorite.
All right, we just wanted to ask you, can you tell us about the Edmonton Tornado?
The Edmonton Tornado. I'm a pastor. I don't have time for this, man. It is the devil?
At 3:25 p.m. on July 31st, 1987, Edmonton, Alberta was brutally destroyed by an F4 tornado.
Lives were lost.
27.
Hearts were broken.
My dog died.
And Canada as we know it was changed forever.
The estimated damage was totaled at $550 million.
That really sucks.
And that is the story of Christmas.
Or as my brothers in the South would say, Domo arigato, Mr. Roboto. Oh, I know this song. I'll play this song. Dude, I still got all your Haste the Basics.
It's cool. I got them on my computer.
I can't listen to them in the car. Well, I can learn